Now let us see some of the useful properties of combinations. So to start with, we have NCR is equal to NC n minus R. So the other way of looking at this particular property is, as we have seen, the NCR stands for number of ways of selecting R objects out of n objects. So now when we say that we are selecting R objects, in a way we are excluding n minus R objects. So therefore the number of ways of selecting R objects should be same as number of ways of excluding or rejecting the remaining n minus R objects. So therefore NCR is equal to NCn minus R. Now moving ahead, we have another very important property, that is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. So this is another useful property of combinations. So to remember, on the left hand side we see that on top we have both places as n, and the bottom positions are just differing by 1, that is R and R minus 1. Whereas on the right hand side the n increases to n plus 1, and the bigger of the two on the left hand side bottom position, that is R, which comes on the right hand side. Now moving ahead, let us see some of the special cases of the formula of combination. That is, if we consider NC0, which is nothing but 1, because NC0 stands for, say, number of ways of selecting nothing out of n objects, which can be done in only one way. So therefore that is NC0. Now on the other hand, if we consider NCn, that is number of ways of selecting n objects from n objects, so that also can be done in only one way, because we have to take all the objects at a time. Of course, these results can also be derived from the formula of NCR. Moving ahead, now if we have NCX to be equal to NCY, then it can mean two things. That is, either we have x equal to y, which is first possibility, or considering the first property, that is NCR equal to NCn minus R, there is another property that x plus y might be equal to n. So therefore these are the two possible conclusions that we can derive. And lastly, we have the relationship between NPR and NCR, which is nothing but NPR is R factorial into NCR.